Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised, we are going to be unboxing and smelling this vintage beauty right here. Poison Eau de Cologne by Dior. I found this vintage bottle on this, how do I call it, second-hand website. They have modern releases, they have vintage stuff, special editions. They also have a eBay account, I believe. They have a lot of reviews. They're mostly positive, but I'm not gonna tell which one it is because I don't know. Maybe there is a possibility that you're gonna get a fake from there. Yeah, you never know, you guys. I don't want you to get in trouble, so we're gonna leave it at that. So, Poison or the cologne. I've never smelled this version, this concentration. Let me see, let me take it out. So, I have a vintage bottle of Poison. I actually had several bottles of the Eau de Toilette. I've had this one for a very long time. The name has been rubbed off completely. It's a very old bottle. It still smells. Oh my god, it's magical. Beautiful, beautiful perfume. Uh, Probably my favorite perfume ever, I have to be honest. This is actually the first ever designer perfume I bought when I first got into perfumes. I remember first buying Fame by Lady Gaga when it came out. I used to have so many bottles of that one. All, all the sizes, 100 ml, 50, 30, 15, soaps, body lotion, shower gels, everything. And then I remember buying this one, Poison, in 2012, I believe. And also on that day I bought The Dreamer by Versace. So those were my first perfumes, like my first real perfume purchases. And I remember loving Poison. How old was I when I first got into perfumes? So 2012. I was, how old was I? I was like 15, 16, I believe. So a 15-year-old wearing Poison by Dior. I mean, come on. But anyways, I love Poison. I adore it. I think it's one of the most amazing perfumes ever made. It's a masterpiece in my eyes. There's nothing like it out there. It's just incredible. I'm not really a big fan of the modern formulation of the Eau de Toilette. In the dry down, it's really, I don't know. It goes really skinky on my skin. It's just not right. Something is not right with it. But the vintage is just beautiful from beginning to end. When you wear it, it's just beautiful. I also had the Esprit de Parfum. That one is also really beautiful. It's just more concentrated than the Eau de Toilette, but the Eau de Toilette wears better on the skin in my opinion. I've never smelled the pure perfume, the original vintage, never smelled that one. And also I've never smelled the current Extrait de Parfum they're selling. But it's not really easy to find. I don't think it's available everywhere. I think it's only available on the French website or maybe on the American, I'm not sure. But anyways, today we are going to be unboxing this vintage beauty, the Eau de Cologne, and I'm going to give you my first impressions on it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I kind of want to be careful with this one. I don't want to ruin the foil packaging. I kind of want to preserve it because it's a vintage bottle after all. I checked the batch code on this one, and this one is from 1995, so it's been around for a while. Let's see. It's almost impossible to, it's very fragile, the foil. There we go. Oops. Careful. Can you guys see it? have it. Poison or the Cologne. This is the batch code. 5H328. Parfums Christian Dior, 50 ml. Made in France. Now let's go ahead and spray it on. This is going to be my first time smelling this very concentration Dior de Cologne. Oh wow. A lot of berries in the opening. There is this metallic aldehydic type of component in there. So berries, metallic aldehydes, it's like a very, very transparent take on the eau de toilette. It's very fruity, the opening. I need to spray some more on. It almost smells like a fruity red wine in a way. The opening. And now I cannot smell it. It's weird. Okay. So it starts off with this really fruity opening, and then it stops smelling for a minute. There is no smell, and then this honey kicks in. Interesting. There is this animalic touch to it in the opening. Okay, I'm gonna let it rest on my skin and then I'm gonna come back. So when you smell the eau de cologne side by side to the eau de toilette, the eau de toilette smells way more sugary. There is this sickly sweet type of compote marmalade type of sweetness to it, whereas the eau de cologne is much more transparent. It doesn't have that sickly sweetness. It almost smells like a fruit punch, like cranberry juice in a way. The opening. There is this really light, clean honey underneath all of that fruitiness. I'm not smelling any tuberose yet. It's very transparent. It is a true eau de cologne, this one. I don't know why people say it's really strong, like it's almost stronger than the eau de toilette. That's totally not true, you guys. It's very light. The eau de toilette has this opulent type of almost dangerous feel about it. It's so sweet, sickly sweet, but in the most amazing way imaginable. The spices are gone in the eau de cologne, and all the focus is on the berry. Okay, so the tuberose is definitely in the eau de cologne, but it's a very dry, sneaky type of tuberose. It's really interesting. It's not, how they explain it, it's not really as mesmerizing as the other toilet. It's nice, it's really nice. You can tell it's poison, but it's just really sheer, easy to wear, it's light, it's fun almost. Yeah, it is a fun, uplifting fragrance. The eau de toilette definitely isn't. They're like two different moods. This is light, fruity, sheer, cheerful, easy to wear. This one is dark, mysterious. There is so much depth to it. It's very complex. This one is also complex, the eau de cologne, but it doesn't have that richness, that really deep richness the eau de toilette has. It's just not there. I like it a lot. I think it smells beautiful. I'm definitely gonna have to give it a full wear, give it more time to see what it really wears like on the skin, and then maybe I'm gonna make a review on the eau de cologne. So yeah, beautiful, the eau de cologne. Not as interesting as the eau de toilette, but still, it's a beautiful fragrance. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Have you tried the eau de cologne? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's the same username as here, Eaumilio. Go follow me there if you want. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and